It's Friday, October 8th, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. The home services industry is growing at a tremendous pace and stayed in the top spot of our top categories list. Many insurance companies offer services online, but there is still a large demand for insurance policies to be explained over the phone. And with open enrollment coming up, that demand may increase, leaving insurance in the second place position. Legal grew but remained in third. Personal insurance overtook financial services for fourth place. Now it's time for our top offers. WeCall and their Medicare campaign took the top offers spot from the back-to-back top spot claimer, Addiction Marketing Specialists. Addiction Marketing Specialists and their 24/7 nationwide rehab campaign claimed second place. Live Calls Network with its auto accident campaign took third. Aragon Advertising stayed in fourth with its IRS tax debt relief campaign, and digitalcalls.com claimed fifth. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, check out the Ringba blog. That's where we have all the details. A link will also be available in the comments below. Top networks. LeadSmart's focus on home services is continuing to pay off as they remain in first place. Hyper-target marketing remained in second, eLocal jumped up from fifth to overtake MarketCall for third place, and Aragon Advertising took fifth. This week, all 5 of the top 5 pay-per-call networks are Ringba customers. We'd like to thank our friends over at OfferVault once again for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data, as well as helping us analyze all the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now it's time for our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Alex Shkarupa, Senior Affiliate Manager at MarketCall. Alex, what makes a network trustworthy to a buyer?
So I think the first one is the transparency to the buyer, like transparency in terms of how the calls are generated, what traffic sources are used, and maybe even showing the ad materials that are used to the buyer. So the buyer fully understands where the calls are coming from. And also network should be able to maintain the quality of calls during the period of time. Affiliate network should be always be in touch with the buyer to get the CPA reports, checking what sources are performing best. And the other aspect is that affiliate network should meet volume requirements of the buyer, like some monthly or quarterly requirements of the volume, because buyers really want to stick with those networks who maintain quality and quantity over the time.
Thanks, Alex. Now it's time for our news and announcements. We hope you're enjoying the trade show season as much as we are. We had a blast at Insure Tech Connect, and we can't wait to see you at the next event. We'll be back in Vegas for LeadsCon October 21st through the 22nd at booth 406. Reach out to your representative for an invite to our client dinner. And stay tuned in the coming weeks for some more information about Affiliate Summit West, also happening in Vegas. Now it's time for our pay-per-call opportunities. Broker Calls is a performance-based agency working in multiple verticals like insurance, finance, and home services, just to name a few. They're looking for publishers generating true inbound calls in under 65 health insurance, over 65 Medicare, auto insurance, insured and uninsured, debt settlement, credit repair, and flights. If you're interested, please reach out to your Ringba representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com for more details. Now it's time for our pay-per-call careers. MarketCall is looking to hire a business development representative. MarketCall provides marketing and lead generation services for companies across several industries. Experience in digital marketing, lead generation, and affiliate marketing is a big plus. The position will have a hybrid work model available, so 50% in the office, 50% remote, in Pasadena, California. If you're interested, email alex@marketcall.com. Broker Calls LLC is looking to expand their sales team with a business development manager. 3 to 5 years of industry experience is preferred. The ideal candidate has a strong drive to take initiative and succeed, as well as have a knowledge of Salesforce. If you're interested, please contact their hiring manager at Catherine with a K, .salz at brokercalls.com. The Ringba team is also expanding, and we're looking to fill the following positions: Vue user experience developers, senior .NET engineers, and business development managers. Email us at sales@ringba.com with your resume to learn more. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and you'd like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading paper call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of paper call, visit www.ringba.com.